Okay, good morning again, grade 10. So for today, we will have lesson number 2, and that is about synthetic division. Now, for synthetic division, ano ba yung pagkakaiba niya sa long division? Now, for synthetic division po kasi, ang gagamitin lang po natin are the numerical coefficients po ng isang polynomial. So I hope nabasa nyo na po yung mga steps na in-upload ko prior to this video. So again po, katulad lang kay long division, una mo natin i-check is the dividend. Kailangan daw yung dividend ay kumpleto pa rin. So, kung nagsimula tayo with x squared, dapat ang kasunod niya ay x, then ng constant. Or kung kapag nagsimula tayo with x cube, dapat may x squared, may x bago yung constant. Now, check natin with this example. So, divide x squared plus 3x minus 10 by x minus 2. Now, the dividend here is C 3x I see x squared plus 3x minus 10. Now, check natin kung kumpleto ba siya. Nagsimula tayo with x squared, then x, then the constant. So, kumpleto naman yung dividend natin. Now, ano naman yung gagawin natin kay divisor na x minus 2? So, ang gagawin muna natin, si divisor na x minus 2, i-equate natin sa 0. So, we will have x minus 2 equals 0. Then, anong gagawin kay negative 2? Pag nilipat natin sa kabila si negative 2, so this will be x is equal to 2. So, ang magiging divisor lang natin ay yung value ng x, which is 2. So, listen natin. So, the divisor natin ay 2. Siya yung nasa loob ng inverted division symbol. Then, list down natin lahat ng numerical coefficients ng dividend. So, si x squared, alam natin na lahat ng variable ay may imaginary na coefficient na 1. So, meron tayo ditong 1. Then, whatever yung sign or yung operation between each term, yun din yung magiging sign nila. So, yung coefficient ng x ay positive 3. Then, yung last coefficient or last number is the constant term, which is negative 10. So, tatandaan lang grade 10 ha, in synthetic division. Kapag pataas, multiplication. Kapag pababa ay addition. So, first step, di ba, is to bring down the first term, and that is 1. So, pataas tayo. So, 1 times 2 is 2. Doon po isusulat sa second na column. Then, pagpababa ay addition. So, 3 plus 2 is 5. Then, pataas ulit. 5 times 2 is 10. Then, add. Negative 10 plus 10. Magkaiba ang sign. So, mama-minus. So, this will be 0. Tatandaan lang pag grade 10 that the last number na makukuha nyo, that is the remainder. So, since 0 ang nakuha natin, that means there is no remainder kapag dinivide natin si x squared plus 3x minus 10 sa x minus 2. Now, ano yung gagawin natin doon sa 1 at sa 5? Now, tandaan natin na ang nagiging quotient natin is 1 less than the exponent ng original na dividend. So, kung nagsimula tayo with x squared, ano yung kasunod ng x squared? Diba x? So, therefore, yung unang-unang number, ang magiging coefficient niya ay x. Then, ang kasunod ng x is the constant term. So, wala nang coefficient, wala nang variable si 5. And since positive siya, so ang magiging operation sa gitna ay plus. So, our quotient will be, so, pwede natin alisin si 1. So, pwedeng x plus 5 na lang. So, again ha, ginawa po una, kinuha yung value ng x ng divisor. So, in-equate siya sa 0, then transpose. So, kaya naging x is positive 2, yun yung nasa loob ng inverted na division symbol. Then kinuha lahat ng numerical coefficients ng dividend. So 1, 3, then -10. Then first step, bring down the first term, 1. 1 times 2 is 2. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 times 2, 10. -10 plus 10 is 0. Then, bawas tayo ng isa. Kung ito ay x squared, ang susunod kay x squared, x. Kaya yung variable nito ay x na lang plus the constant na 5. So, we have the quotient is x plus 5. Okay, pakicheck po. Dapat ito rin yung answer doon sa long division example number 1. Okay po, let's have example number 2. So we have 2x cubed minus 10x plus 8 divided by x plus 3. So the same lang po kanina. Kuhanin natin yung value ng x ng divisor. So we have x plus 3 equals 0. Then, pag nilipat si 3 sa kabila from positive 3, siya ay magiging x is equal to negative 3. So, yung nasa loob ng inverted na division sign or symbol is negative 3. Then next, check natin yung dividend kung kumpleto. So, nagsimula tayo ng x cube. Ano dapat kasunod ng x cube? Di ba dapat ay x squared? May x squared ba? Since walang x squared, so that means magdadagdag tayo mamaya ng 0. So after ng x squared, ano yung kasunod? Diba dapat ay x? Meron naman tayong x, that is negative 10x. Then the constant term. So kapag nilista natin yung lahat ng coefficient, so start tayo with the coefficient ng x cube, that is 2. Diba ano kasunod ng x cube? Dapat ay x squared. Since walang x squared, so add tayo ng 0. Then, negative 10. Then yung constant na 8. Okay, again, bring down the first term. So bring down lang natin si 2. Then pagpataas, multiply sa divisor. 2 times negative 3 doon sa second column. So that is negative 6. Then add 0 plus negative 6 is obviously negative 6. Then multiply ulit. Negative 6 times negative 3, negative times negative is positive. Then 6 times 3 is 18. Then, pagpababa ulit, add. Magkaiba ng sign kaya minus, then copy the sign of the term with a higher absolute value. So negative 10 plus 8, so minus, so the answer is 8. Positive or negative? So the answer is positive 8. Kasi nga, mas mataas ang absolute value ng positive 18 kaysa negative 10. Then, si 8, multiply ulit kay negative 3. 8 times negative 3, that is negative 24. Bakit po negative? Kasi po magkaiba ng sign. Then, 8 plus negative 24, mamaminus po ulit. Then, copy the sign of the term with a higher absolute value. So, this will be negative 16. And since may number tayo dito, so this is, again, the remainder. So, paano natin isusulat yung sagot? Ito po ay x cube, ang highest variable natin, di ba, x cube. So, yung magiging coefficient ng quotient ay 1 less than x cube. So, ano kasi ng x cube? That is x squared. So, we will have 2. Ito yung 2 na yan. Then, yung sunod is x squared. Then, since minus to, so minus 6. Kasi ng x squared is x. Then, this will be the constant na plus 8. So, tapos na ba yung quotient? No. Meron pa tayong remainder na negative 16. So, we will write minus, kasi negative yung remainder, 16 over the divisor na x plus 3. So, this is our final answer. We have 2x squared minus 6x plus 8 minus 16 over x plus 3. Okay po, the next two examples po ay gagamit ng fractions. So, listen carefully po ha, grade 10. So, we have divide 9x cubed plus 11x plus 4 by 3x minus 1. So, we will have 3x minus 1. Again, equate this to 0. Lipat sa kabila yung constant, yung negative 1, so magiging positive. So, we will have 3x is equal to positive 1. Then, to get the value of x, so divide by 3 para mawala yung 3 dito. So, x equals 1/3. Now, kumpleto ba yung terms ng dividend? So, since hindi po kumpleto yung terms ng dividend, so that means mag-add tayo ng 0 kasi diba nagsimula siya ng x cubed, dapat ang kasunod ay x squared at nawawala na naman yung x squared, so mag-add tayo ng 0. So, we will have again yung divisor na 1/3. Then, coefficient ng x cubed, that is 9. Kasunod dapat ay x squared, since walang x squared, so write 0. Then, 11. Then yung 4. So, divide. Okay po. So, we will have, bring down again the first term. So, that's 9. 9 times 1/3. So, 9 times 1/3. O, diba lahat ay may over 1 equals. O, 9 times 1 is 9 over 1 times 3, 3. Diba? Numerator sa numerator, denominator sa denominator. So, si 9 over 3 ay pwede ma-simplify as 3. So, yun yung isusulat natin dito, 3. Then, add. 0 plus 3 is 3. Then, multiply ulit. So, we will have 3 times 1/3. Oh, 3 times 1 is 3 over 1 times 3, 3. Or simply 1. So, write 1. Then, 11 plus 1, this will be 12. Then, multiply ulit to sa 1/3. So, 12 times 1/3, ito ay may over 1. 12 times 1 is 12 over 1 times 3 is 3. And 12 divided by 3 will give you 4. So, this will be 4. And 4 plus 4 is 8. So, this is our remainder. May remainder tayo na 8. Now, ano po yung pagkakaiba niya? Since meron tayo ditong fraction, at so ang gagawin po natin, hindi lang ito yung final answer natin, hindi si 9, si 3, at si 12. So, i-divide pa ulit po natin ito by the number or by the denominator ng divisor natin. So, i-divide ba ulit natin siya by 3. Ganun po ang process kapag fraction yung nakuha natin or fraction ng divisor or kapag yung divisor natin ay hindi lang siya x yung nakalagay. So dito, may 3 pa siya sa unahan. So whatever number yung nandoon, doon din po natin siya i-divide. So 9 divided by 3 is 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. And 12 divided by 3 is 4. And copy yung same remainder. Okay, next slide po tayo ha. So balikan natin yung kanina. We have 3, 1, 4, then 8 yung remainder. Now, balik tayo kanina. Ano yung term with the highest exponent? That is x cubed. Diba? That is 9x cubed. So, yung magiging coefficient na lang nito ay 1 less than the exponent nung pinakamataas na yon. So, this will be, ito po ay magiging x squared, x, and this is the constant term. So, pag nire-write natin, the quotient will be 3x squared plus x plus 4. Then, the remainder na plus, kasi positive yung remainder, 8 over, ano yung divisor natin kanina? Divisor natin is 3x minus 1. So, this will be our final answer. So 3x squared plus x plus 4 plus 8 over 3x minus 1. Okay po, the same po ba dun sa example kahapon? Or the same po ba sa example dun sa long division? Opo, parehas lang po sila ng answer. Okay, let's have the fourth and the last example. So we have to divide 4x cubed plus 2x squared minus 4x minus 6 by 2x minus 3. Na kung nakikita natin, grade 10, ang divisor na naman natin ay may katabing number yung x. So obviously, sa dulo po ay i-divide muna natin yung makukuha nating answer by 2 or by whatever number yung katabi ng x. So we will have, divisor muna tayo, 2x minus 3 equals 0. Lipat si negative 3, so we will have 2x equals 3. Then divide by 2, divide by 2, cancel out yung 2. So x is equal to 3 over 2. Kompleto ba yung terms ng dividend? So nagsimula tayo ng x cubed, followed by x squared, x, and constant. So kompleto naman. So pwede tayong magsimula mag-divide. So we have 3 over 2 divided by, copy yung numerical coefficient. So 4, positive 2, negative 4, negative 6. So again po, divide muna, or bring down the first term. So sa synthetic division, bring down the first term, 4. Then multiply sa divisor. So 4 times 3 over 2. Again po, lahat ng whole number ay may denominator na 1. Diba? The numerator to numerator, 4 times 3 is 12, over 1 times 2 is 2. 12 over 2, pwedeng i-simplify, that is 6. So yun yung susulat natin dun sa second column. So 6, then pagpababa ay add. 2 plus 6 is 8. Then si 8, multiply ulit kay divisor. So 8, lagay na natin si over 1 times 3 over 2. O numerator to numerator, 8 times 3 is 24. Over 1 times 2 is 2. And 24 divided by 2 will give you 12. So write 12. Then add, negative 4 plus 12, since magkaiba ng sign, magma-minus, then copy the sign of the term with a higher absolute value. So negative 4 plus 12 is positive 8. Then positive 8, multiply ulit kay 3 over 2. So ito ulit yun, di ba? 8 times 3 over 2. So this will be 12. Then negative 6 plus 12, this will be positive 6. So again, this is the remainder. So katulad po nung kanina, since meron tayo ditong number na 2 sa tabi ng x, so yung final answer natin dapat ay i-divide muna natin by that number, yung 2 na yan. So by 2. Hindi po kasama ang remainder ha. So 4 divided by 2 is 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4. And 8 divided by 2 again is 4. Then copy yung same remainder na 6. Nagsimula tayo with x cubed. So kung x cubed, so ito ay magiging 2x squared plus, sunod ng x squared is x, then the constant. Then sunod natin yung remainder. So this will be 2x squared plus 4x plus 4, then positive yung remainder, so plus 6 over the divisor na 2x minus 3. So this will be our final answer. Okay po, so alin ba yung mas madali grade 10? Is it long division or synthetic division? Okay, depende na po sa inyo kung ano yung gagawin or kung ano yung gagamitin nyo when you are dividing polynomials. But I suggest na aralin po si synthetic division. Kasi po, sa pagdating natin dun sa roots or zeros of polynomial functions, ang gagamitin po natin doon ay mostly synthetic division kasi trial and error po yung gagawin natin doon or maraming beses tayo synthetic division. So better po na ma-master nyo yung synthetic division. You may watch other videos sa YouTube. if you want to para po mas magets or mas maintindihan po si synthetic division. Okay po? So again po, grade 10, if you have questions po regarding the topic, there is a discussion board following this video para po doon kayo magtanong. Okay po? Okay, that is all for today. That is the lesson for synthetic division. Okay, thank you, grade 10, and God bless.